ordinary human being. Ìwà ẹ̀ ti kọjá sí ènìyàn is a genius. Ẹnu bàbá dé wá fẹ́ preach àwọn tí ń gbòrìṣà. Ó gbòrìṣà ó lè jẹ́ gbòrìṣà. Ó gbòrìṣà ó mọ́mí òrìṣà. Ó gbòrìṣà ó gbé òrìṣà ń gbé ẹrù wá fún ẹ láti lóyìnbó. Wọ́n gbé ṣìkò ní olókun. Ó gbòrìṣà ó lè wá aṣọ tí olókun fi tí wọ́n fi ṣì gbé wá. Ó òrìṣà àwọn kan ló ń kọ̀ọ̀dúrà afẹ́fẹ́ tó gbádùn yìí spirit ni. Àmì ò bá wá parí gbogbo ẹ̀. Nígbà tí Yorùbá máa parí gbogbo ẹ̀, Yorùbá sọ ẹ̀yin kábíyèsí wa a máa rẹ́ǹdì fún yóò ẹ̀yin bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọba rẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ republic tẹ́lẹ̀ yẹn pẹ́ ti lọ wọ́n ti arrange fún yín lẹ́yìn o ẹ má kánjú o.
Òrìṣà
Yorùbá sọ.
Ìwọ omi òǹbò ń kọ̀ndẹ́ẹ̀mù mọ̀mí ọ̀tá tó wà lórí omi àwọn ẹrù tó ń kówó láti ìlú òyìnbó tí gbogbo wa ń lò mọ́tò ká ń lò orí ship náà fi ń gbé wá orí olókun àtòrí ọlọ́sà ni. Inú òkun lọ́lọ́run ti yọ ayé tọ́lọ́run bá fẹ́ palẹ̀ ayé rẹ́ òkun náà lọ́lọ́run máa fi parẹ́ o. Láti gbàgbà tí ń ṣe ọdún yìí ìyípadà rere ló ń bá wa. Àwa di eléyìí mú ọdún yìí náà la ṣe títí tàbí di Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ọdún yìí la ṣe títí tí a fi rí ẹgbẹ́ kan dálẹ̀ nílùú òyìnbó tó jẹ́ 101 country lẹ́nìí. Tó bí yàtọ̀ sí OPC tó wà nígbà yìí. Ọdún yìí la ṣe títí gbogbo nǹkan rere la ní méjì. Tó mo bẹ̀ yín, mo rọ̀ yín, ẹ jẹ́ ká múra sí nǹkan tí a ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ ká àdàkọ́ mi ní òyìnbó. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to the grand finale of this year's edition of Olokun. I am delighted also that to historical Badagry. My sincere appreciation to our royal host, the Archbishop of Badagry, His Royal Majesty Ehonu Ahonu Menutoi OFR LLP as the royal father of the day. Sorry, as the royal host. The royal father of the day, the Olorun of Owu Kuta Kingdom, His Royal Majesty, Oba Professor Saka Adelola Matemilola Shemo right. Níbo ló ti rí yẹn kan? Mo rò pé kábíyèsí àti rí yẹn gangan nínú brochure yẹn. Torí protocol ó lè rán yàn lọ sẹ́wọ̀n o. Bá mú protocol yìí náà. Ọba Mahama and Royal Adekunle Oyelude and all royal father they are present. My special appreciation also goes to all members of our organization for their dedication and tireless efforts in promoting the cultural identity of our race. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run kò ní rẹ̀ yín o. I will not fail to appreciate the efforts of all members of the planning committee of this year's edition of Olokun Festival. They have all done very well. I want to say it here today that all the success we are celebrating today are as a result of their sleepless night efforts. I give all glory to Almighty God, who has given us the grace and the strength to sustain this festival for the past 22 years. Highlights of our cultural promotion journey and the testimony. Our cultural evangelism journey with Olokun Festival was a story of discovery that began exactly 22 years ago, where we held the first edition of the Olokun Festival at Afan Beach in Lagos. Today, Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024, is also a special day. It is a day that has a significant spiritual meaning in our cultural promotion activities. The journey that started 22 years ago has involved with tremendous success, with Olokun Festival metamorphosing into a global cultural brand and a fiesta that has global attraction. Though our journey into cultural promotion began in the year 2000 in partnership with Osun Osogbo Festival, the breakthrough gradually came with the celebration of the first edition of Olokun at the Alpha Beach in 2002. The increase of awareness as well as the popularity of Olokun Festival within the first 2 years of its celebration opened several windows of opportunity for us. It was the success recorded within the first 2 years that brought about transformations that we are celebrating today as our testimony. Before 2002, the few prominent festivals in Yoruba land were Odun Olojo Festival, Ile-Ife, Osun Osogbo Festival, Osogbo, Eyo Festival in Lagos, Agemo Festival in Imojimosan, Ogun State, Ogun Festival in Ondo, Ojude Oba Festival, and a few others. But since 2002, when we hosted the first Olokun Festival, there has been increased awareness about cultural and traditional festival across Yoruba land. Today, OFF celebrates 30 traditional festivals spread across major towns in Yoruba land in a year. The reason for choosing Badagry as a venue for Olokun Festival is to fill the imports of the town as a tourist destination. The attraction for us is also to explore the tourism potential of the ancient town. It will also interest you to know that since 2004, that we moved to the southern every year uninterrupted. Every year we play host to more than 30,000 dignitaries from all over the world. The presence of prominent Yoruba traditional rulers from the southwest, the Republic of Benin, cultural enthusiasts from Brazil, Cuba, and other African countries have been a major milestone of the Olokun Festival Foundation. And I'm particularly happy to tell you that we celebrate the festival. The Asian town has continued to witness major development through the spiritual blessing of Olokun and Olosa dates. Interestingly, Olokun Festival has brought more spiritual gain to the host community. Every year we lend our voice by appealing to federal government to complete Lagos Badagry Express Road. The road is almost complete now, and we feel the luxury as we plied the road to Badagry yesterday. However, it is very important for us to appreciate this gesture and also appeal to the government to do the needful by completing Lagos Badagry Express Road as soon as it is possible. Nǹkan tó àgbà láti sọ ni wípé a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ìjọba pẹ̀lú ọ̀nà Lagos Badagry tó ń ṣe àti wá ń bẹ̀ wọ́n wípé kó gbìyànjú kó bá parí ọ̀nà yìí kó tó di ọdún tó ń bọ̀ àti wá ṣe Olokun. Today, Badagry has turned out to be an oil-producing area with the discovery of crude oil in 5 locations across the Asian continent. It was the Jonathan administration that had the vision to locate the largest seaport in Africa here in Badagry. The seaport were shaped with the repair, but the project is yet to be executed. Until recently, the number of urbans and traditional rulers in Badagry, when we started, was 6 or 7, but the number has increased immediately since we started celebrating Olokun Festival in Badagry. Now we have nothing less than 25 prominent traditional rulers in Badagry. It is a big record of success and complete transformation of traditional institutions in Badagry. Also, the economic transformation of Badagry is noteworthy. The Lagos State government now concentrates more in developing Badagry as one of the best locations that attract both local and foreign investments. Until now, Badagry celebrated only its indigenous festival annually, but the celebration of Olokun, the stories have changed. The ancient town is now a better location for the celebration of major festivals like Black Heritage Festival and several others. As we lead, other organizations now follow us to celebrate different festivals here in Badagry. As we acknowledge the spiritual gain and the importance of promoting Yoruba culture and tradition, it is also a thing of joy to tell the world that Olokun Festival Foundation (OFF), under my leadership, is now the biggest brand that promotes 30 cultural festivals across Yoruba land. OFF also increased its presence in all the universities in Yoruba land on cultural promotion. We have been able to attract high-quality professors like Professor Shion Oyebeso and other renowned professors in many of our educational programs and events. Our foundation also helped in advancing the cause of Yoruba race by giving scholarships to indigent and brilliant students in the university across the Southwest. In the last couple of years, Yoruba People's Congress has also consisted greatly, spreading its organization's tentacle with the establishment of Yoruba Progressive Union (OPU) in 2011. Today, the diaspora organization is now in 102 countries across the 6 continents of the world. We also have the Yoruba One Voice (YOB), with the coalition of the nation in diaspora. The Southwest Security Stakeholder Group (SSSG) is also prominent across Nigeria. It is interesting to know that OPC efforts in promoting cultural identity of Yoruba race have not gone unnoticed. We have an organization today that's worked tirelessly to change the narrative of our poor past, now proud of its general acceptability. It is this positive image and great transition that have harmed the prestigious position of the Are Ona Kakanfo of Yoruba land. Today, OPC has been recognized across Nigeria and beyond as a responsible organization that dedicates to promote and sustain Yoruba heritage and promote it beyond the borders of our land. Part of our landmark achievements are the Odua House in Ikeja, the hall in Olusoga, Mushin, and 48-room apartment in Abeokuta, as well as a landed property across Yoruba land. More importantly, the future is here with us and is beginning today. Going forward, we are breaking a new ground today in our cultural promotion agenda. Today, the festival will be unveiling as Olokun World Festival, and to be made the declaration shortly after this address. Let me also reinstate it here again that today, Tuesday, 22nd of October, is an important day in the calendar of Olokun. Ṣé agbára kan ti gbé kí ní ẹ̀dẹ́? Èkó.
Wọ́n lọ ń gbé bọ̀ yẹn sà.
It was on 22nd of October, 2004. That we hosted the festival in the first time in Badagry, after we left Afan Beach in Lagos Island. It is therefore no coincidence that today, 22nd of October, 2024, this festival will be unveiled as Olokun World Festival. Ọkùnrin tó fún ẹ̀rọ àkọ́kùnrin. Bára sùn síbi táwọn lọ́balọ́ba wà yẹn. Just open it. Bára sùn síbi tí àwọn lọ́balọ́ba wà yẹn. Bára sí going there. Oh, yeah. O lè fi ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ síbi inú ẹ̀.
Ẹgbẹ́ Olókun. Ibi náà wà òkè. Ẹ máa fi nǹkan rọ ni.
It will also hand the foundation the global rescue. As is opening a window of opportunity for Badagry to attract tourists and investors for all over the world. Olokun Festival and the prospects. It is our determination to continue to look into everything that will help our cultural promotion activities. Now it's time for cultural revolution. Many advanced nations of the world today are proud of their national identity, cultural heritage, and civilization. We cannot continue to ignore the reality of our existence as a race.
Hello,
advocacy for cultural rejuvenation, and that is the reason for this new initiative. Today, it is our projection to exploit tourism potential of Badagry. We intend to build a mini stadium here in Badagry. It is our plan also to have a permanent site in Badagry, here in Badagry, where we build a standard hotel near Olokun, an hotel of a global standard of over 300 rooms. Nǹkan tá a bá ti sọ a máa ṣe nì. Wá pàtẹ́wọ́. Ẹ̀yin aláìní gbàgbọ́. Let me quote it again. We intend to build a mini stadium here in Badagry. It is our plan also to have a permanent site here in Badagry, where we will build a world standard hotel near Olokun, the beach. Olokun means beach, an hotel of a global standard with over 300 rooms for accommodation and lodging, as well as 3 different halls for conferences. And even it will certainly be a replica of Pakaya tourism side beach in Thailand. Ibi tí a ti bá àwọn investors yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ nìyẹn. Replica of Pattaya beach yẹn wà ní Thailand. A ti ń bá àwọn investors yẹn sọ̀rọ̀. Irú nǹkan tó ṣe sí Pattaya beach. Àwọn abẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́dẹ́ẹ̀lì ní Badagry. Wọ́n dẹ̀ yí a ti bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ láti bí 3 months ago. So láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà baálẹ̀ ìyá àfin ẹ̀rọ wa lórí àwọn nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe o ọlọ́run adé fún wa ṣe olókun á fún wa ṣe ọlọ́sà á fún wa ṣe. All these are projections and future plans in Badagry. With all this, I believe strongly that future is guaranteed. I have a strong conviction that the future of our organization is also bright. We will continue to leverage on our record of success, and we will never relent on our various advocacy programs. Finally, as we start a new journey today, I want to tell all our members that as we step up our cultural promotion activities to the global community, we should remain faithful to the idea of the organization as that is the best we can give to the next generation of our race. Thank you for listening. God bless you all.
Olokun, omi bí mo ṣe ti rẹ̀ ta.